This is how to find wallet address on Binance. In this video, I'll be walking you through how to get crypto wallet address on Binance. Let me show you. This is how to find wallet address on Binance. For you to get wallet address for any crypto on Binance, you come to Home. For you to retrieve wallet for any crypto at all, you click Deposit. You can see currently these are a list of supported cryptos on Binance as at the time of this video. So as long as the crypto is supported and listed on Binance, you will see it here. If you can't see it, you can search for it. Suppose you are looking for baby Doge, this baby Doge, and suppose you want to get the address of this baby Doge, you just tap it. As at this time, this is the only two network that support this crypto. The first one is BNB Smart Chain BEP20. The second one is Ethereum ERC20. It all depends on where the crypto is coming from. Ensure you always ask from anybody sending the crypto to you the network, because the network of the originated crypto must be the same, because you can only give crypto address of the same network of where the crypto is coming from. Otherwise, you may lose the crypto. So in this case, suppose we are going for Ethereum ERC20, you click Ethereum and you can see this is the address. All you need to do is to copy the address, or you save and share the address to your friends and family members that is sending the crypto to you. So it all depends on the cryptos you are dealing with. You just search and copy the address. So this is how to find wallet address of any crypto on Binance using your Binance app. Don't forget to use the links below the description of this video to claim your various bonuses. Also, do me one big favor: subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comment, and I'll get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.